Hey guys, this is part 2 of testing out the Mco like candy shop collection. I really don't like my makeup today. I'm having a bad makeup day, so just try and ignore that. But anyway, let's try out the rest of this collection. I'm really excited. So this collection is available exclusively at Big W, and it's like, yeah, in collaboration with Mcobeauty, but yeah, it's like a Big W exclusive. So okay, first things first. Let's smell these. So these are the Sugar Body Scrubs. I haven't tried them out yet, obviously. Probably give them a go in the shower tonight, but I just really want to smell them. I got mine in 2 different scents. It says the body scrub is deliciously designed to leave your skin smooth and smelling like summer all year round. Made to help gently remove dry and textured patches, revealing softer and radiant complexion. The sweet sugar granules assist in improving texture while leaving your skin feeling moisturized and hydrated from top to toe. Decadently scented in rich scents that are like a sweet treat in your self-care routine. So it comes in 3 scents. We have Coconut Dream, Melon Crush, and Vanilla Oasis. So I've got the coconut one and the vanilla one. So let's give them a sniff. This is the coconut one. Cute, the packaging's cute. There's 250 grams in here, so that smells really nice. I feel like coconut can either go like really wrong or really right, because it can smell like really fake or it can smell like creamy and nice, and that, yeah, it smells really nice, so I like that. I'm excited to try it out. I feel like the texture of it as well, like it looks quite nice in there. I don't know if you can see, but like it looks like a nice scrub, so I'm excited to try it. Let's open vanilla. The packaging is basically like the same. I feel like this one's a different colour. Are they? Yeah, I feel like the coconut one is slightly like whiter and the vanilla one looks more like yellowy kind of. I feel like that smells really coconutty as well. Like it's not really giving me vanilla. I don't know, like it smells alright, like I'll use it, but I probably wouldn't repurchase that scent, to be honest. I got 2 of these Ultra Glow Slick Lip Oils. I got one in Blue Sprinkles and Lemon Meringue. So it says a shiny burst of sunshine for your lips. It's a rich, ultra nourishing lip oil that leaves a high shine finish with the right amount of colour tint. The inbuilt plush applicator glides on effortlessly, protecting lips against dehydration without feeling sticky. Indulge in the delicious taste of your favourite desserts while giving your lips the TLC they deserve. It says, do not be fooled. This lip oil will satisfy your sweet tooth with every swipe. So there's 4 vibrant scents and shades. Strawberry Glaze is a hot pink. Blue Sprinkles is ocean blue, which is this one. We have Lemon Meringue, which is pastel yellow, and then Salted Caramel, which is peachy orange. It says instantly treats, nourishes and hydrates. A touch of shine to the lips. 4 fun colours to collect. Indulge in a sweet taste and scent without the calorie. I've almost used up my Marcella water as well, so I bought another bottle. But I'm making sure I get every drop first. So this is how they look here. So obviously the blue one is Blue Sprinkles and then yellow is Lemon Meringue. Let's give them a swatch. Okay, we'll do Blue Sprinkles first. Oh, okay. It smells like blue raspberry. I feel like Blue Sprinkles is like a weird name for it. Like I feel like blue raspberry would have been more fitting. It smells really nice though. So that is a swatch of it on the hand. And we have Lemon Meringue. Oh, that smells so good. That smells exactly like what you would expect lemon meringue to smell like. Yum! That one's really nice. I feel like they're pretty similar, like in shade. Let's put lemon meringue on first because I've got it open. It tastes so nice. So yeah, it actually looks really nice on the lips. I really like it. I love that lemon meringue scent. That smells so good and tastes really good as well. Let's put Blue Sprinkles on. Yeah, I don't like the taste of this one as much. It's definitely more like blue raspberry. I had like pictures of the donuts and stuff, of like donuts and stuff on the outside, so I was expecting it to taste more like donutty, but it looks really nice on the lips, but I just don't love the scent as much. Okay, next we have these things. These are the Galaxy Lip Glaze, the Roller Ball Lip Oils. I got 3 of these. I've already tried this one out. But it says they revitalize lips with an intensely hydrating formula and next level shine. The super fun Roller Ball applicator provides instant shine in one swipe and delivers a sweet dose of vitamin E and hydrating seed oils to keep lips cushion, soft and moisturized for lips that are out of this world. So we have 4 shades. We have Moon Dust, which is clear vanilla, this one. Then we have Milky Way, which is purple grape, which is this one. We have Supernova, which is pink strawberry, this one. And then the last one is Stellar Orange Peach, which I didn't get. So, love Mcobeauty, hate this packaging so much. There's no easy way to get it out. So this is the first one. This is Milky Way, and this is grape. And I don't know if they're like different shades, but I have tried this one, and it definitely smells grapey, and it's really nice. So that's that one there. I don't know if you can. I feel like they're not really going to show up on the lips all that much. Then we have Supernova. I think this was like pink strawberry. Oh, actually this one's got a bit of a tint. Oh, that smells really nice. They give me such like lip smacker vibes. Let's try this one. You can see like a bit of a colour on there. And yeah, it smells really nice. And then we have Moon Dust, which is vanilla. I can't honestly smell like much of a scent on this one. Oh, actually, maybe I can a little bit. It's very subtle, but actually I do like that. It does smell kind of vanilla-y. So yeah, those are the 3 of them there. I feel like they're super cute. I really like those. And then those are the swatches. I feel like the only one that has the colour is like the pink one in the middle. Next I got 2 of these lip smoothies. Yep. I got pomegranate and tutti frutti. So it says it's the ultimate paradise dream bottled into a juicy, nourishing gloss. Bring the tropics to your lips with this hydrating gloss that smells as sweet and fruity as it looks. When applied, the ombre gloss melts onto lips as a sheer tint of colour that leaves lips looking juicy and revived. So there's 3 flavours. There's tutti frutti, pomegranate and dragon fruit. Okay, so this is how they look here. They're super cute. So we have, oh hang on, we've got tutti frutti down the bottom and then pomegranate up the top. Let's try them out. We'll do tutti frutti first. I feel like it doesn't really have much colour payoff again, but oh, it is tutti frutti, but it's like, oh yeah, I don't like it. It makes me nauseous. I don't know why. I don't like that one. Anyway, that's a swatch of it there on my hand. And then we have pomegranate. I feel like the tutti frutti one smells like fake artificial and it just isn't a vibe. Pomegranate smells alright though. Yeah, I quite like that. It's like fresh but sweet. It's nice. And then there is pomegranate. So obviously tutti frutti and then pomegranate. I'm going to put the pomegranate one on my lips. I'm not even going to bother with tutti frutti because I feel like I don't like it. I like this one though. It's nice. So that is pomegranate. And yeah, I feel like it looks quite nice on the lips. This one's a gloss, so it's more like, I don't know, like, you know, glossy. Cute. Okay, let's try this. This is the Honey Lip Balm. It says it's the ultimate hydrating treatment and it's the one that is in like the little honey pot, which is so cute. So it says, it's a multi-purpose balm that works to nourish and revitalize dry, chapped lips infused with vitamin E. This magic balm melts upon impact to hydrate and protect skin, revealing softer and smoother looking lips. The amazing properties of nourishing emollients help soothe irritation, unlocking moisture to deeply hydrate, bursting with sweet honey flavour, refresh and renew your lips with a high shine and sweet golden honey tone. So it's got 2 shades, Berry Red and Fairy Floss. So I have Fairy Floss. I feel like my lips are a bit stained. I don't know if they're just stained or they're just like red from being rubbed. But so it comes with this cute little like this little thing, you know. So let's give it a go. I just know I'm gonna lose this little thing. I wish there was a spot for it like in the actual lip balm, but oh hell there is. What do you know? Wow. So it sits in there. That's so cute. And then you must like undo it like this. And that's how it looks. It does smell very honey-like. I'm going to use my little applicator thingy because I just think that's so cute. So there it is there. I feel like the applicator doesn't work the best. But it's on my hand there. It actually feels really nice going on the lips. It does taste very honey-like. And yeah, it looks nice. I've rubbed a whole ring of foundation off my lips. Okay, we have one last thing to try out. So let's get into that, but yeah, I do really like this. Okay, so I've kind of saved this one for last. This is the Dessert Dream Tinted Lip Glaze because it's in the scent Butter Cookie and I'm really hoping it smells like Biscoff. So anyway, that's how it looks there. So it says it's a light coverage lip glaze that leaves a glossy hint of colour and a high shine for the ultimate plumped looking pout. The marbled colour duos blend seamlessly on application for a two-dimensional layered lip look. So we have strawberry cheesecake, which is soft pink nude, yum. Bubblegum, which is a deep rogue. Caramel popcorn, warm brown. Cotton candy, translucent pink. Chocolate, which is a deep bronze. And butter cookie, which is a satin nude beige. All of them sound amazing. But let's try this one out. If I like this, I might go and buy the other scents, maybe. The cheesecake one is the one that I want. There were a few things I ordered that like got refunded because they like obviously had sold out or something. So this is how it looks. Super cute. Let's swatch it on the hand. Oh, that's a nice colour. So yeah, it is like a brownie nude. Oh. It's not Biscoff. It's nice though. It does smell nice, yeah. I don't know what it is though. I guess it's like a bit like, yeah, butter cookery, I guess. Let's swatch it. It does like taste nice on the lips. It is cute. Yeah, I do actually quite like the flavour of it. I don't know what it is, but it tastes nice. Anyway, that is everything that I got from the Mco Candy Shop collection. Let me know if you guys tried anything out from this collection and what you thought. Should I buy some more bits to try out? Let me know what you think down below. They've done like 2 releases on this collection now. I'd love to see a third. I feel like that'd be really fun. Maybe like a cool eyeshadow palette or something, you know. I don't know. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!